Welcome to Top Review Lab. The Best Bubble Games is probably one of the most addictive and entertaining puzzle experiences available on mobile devices. These games offer a simple yet captivating gameplay loop, where players shoot colorful bubbles to match and clear them from the screen. With vibrant visuals, satisfying sound effects, and a variety of game modes, bubble games provide hours of fun for players of all ages. Whether you're a casual gamer looking for a quick distraction or a puzzle enthusiast seeking a challenge, bubble games have something to offer. Number 5. Eaglestone Bubble Gun 2-Pack for Kids. This bubble gun features a high-speed motor and 10 holes, producing over 10,000 bubbles per minute. It creates amazing effects and provides hours of entertainment for kids, day or night. With a transparent shell and dual LED lights, this bubble machine glows in the dark. It creates a mesmerizing light show with gradual color changes, making it the most eye-catching toy for toddlers. The bubble gun is designed to fit perfectly with the solution, preventing any leaks. This ensures no mess, no dirty hands, and allows kids to shoot bubbles in all directions. This handheld bubble machine includes 2 bottles of bubble solution, refill packets, a screwdriver, and an instruction manual. It provides more than enough refills for hours of fun. Made of premium shatter-resistant ABS material, the bubble gun and bubble liquid have passed all safety tests. It's also Climate Pledge Friendly certified, ensuring a planet-loving choice. This bubble gun is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, making it a great gift for various occasions. Capture the fun with pictures of shimmering bubbles. What we like? This bubble gun features a high output, creating a ton of bubbles in seconds. It also has dazzling LED lights that make it super fun to play with at night. If you're looking for a fun and exciting toy for your kids to play with, especially during parties or outdoor events, this is a great choice. What people say. They pumped out a ton of bubbles and gave her some of the happiest playtime moments we've had. The bubble guns work perfect, are well made, we have had no problems with them. They make loads of bubbles. Number 4. Pop the Target. Handheld Speed Push Game. This handheld game is designed for everyone. Its ergonomic design makes it perfect for parents and children to play together. The rapid push-pull handle allows for exciting battles. It features 4 engaging game modes. You can challenge yourself with tasks, test your memory, compete for high scores, or play against others. This offers diverse gameplay options. The game console is built to last, with no small parts. It's perfect for travel and helps improve finger dexterity. You can enjoy it anytime, anywhere. Great for parties, outdoor games, and family time. It helps kids avoid screens and is fun for adults too. It's a versatile game for all ages. This game is a fantastic gift for kids and adults. It's a great way to pass the time and enjoy some fun. Give it to friends or family for a special and interesting present. What we like? This handheld game console offers multiple game modes, ensuring hours of fun. Its durable design makes it perfect for travel and on-the-go entertainment. If you are looking for a fun and engaging game to keep your kids entertained during road trips or family gatherings, this is a great option. What people say. The game is very easy to learn and play. The graphics are bright and colorful. It's a fun and addictive game that's great for all ages. Number 3. WOWmazing Giant Bubble Kit. This giant bubble wand creates long, giant bubbles. The 2-handle design has been used to set every big bubble world record in the last 30 years. Passers-by will be amazed by it. The WOWmazing Giant Bubble Powder is made in America. You can trust that you're getting a high-quality, reliable product. It's perfect for creating fun and lasting memories. This kit contains everything you need to create big, colorful, and fun bubbles. It includes a giant bubble maker and 3 packets of WOWmazing Giant Bubble Powder. Each packet makes a gallon of bubble solution. Designed to last for kids and families, this big bubble maker is lightweight, durable, and colorful. It's an easy-to-use outdoor toy for children of all ages. It's a wonderful birthday activity or gift for boys and girls. Parents can let their kids play with it in the backyard, park, or beach. Teachers can even use it for science class. What we like? This kit allows you to create unbelievably giant bubbles, perfect for outdoor fun. The bubble powder is made in the USA, ensuring quality and reliability. If you like to create memorable moments and want to impress everyone with giant bubbles, you should consider this. What people say. The game is very easy to learn and play. The graphics are bright and colorful. It's a fun and addictive game that's perfect for all ages. Number 2. Roberly 28 PCS Big Bubble Wand Set. Introducing the Roberly Big Bubble Wand Set. This set is perfect for creating giant, colorful bubbles. It's fun for all ages and makes any outdoor activity more exciting. Inside, you'll find 8 big bubble wands, 15 small wands, and 5 trays. The different shapes and colors ensure there's something for everyone. This set has everything you need to start making bubbles right away. These bubble wands are ideal for parties, weddings, and summer fun. They create laughter and joy, especially at themed events. It's a great way to add some extra fun to any celebration. Simply pour the bubble solution into the tray, dip the wands, and start blowing. You can make big, long bubbles or lots of smaller ones. It's easy and fun for everyone. The wands are made of non-toxic materials, making them safe for kids. It's a great way to let them enjoy outdoor play. We prioritize your child's safety. We're always here to help if you have any questions. Your satisfaction is our top priority. We are committed to providing you with the best experience possible. What we like. This set provides a variety of wands for creating bubbles of different sizes and shapes. It's perfect for parties and outdoor activities, bringing joy to any event. If you are planning a party or looking for a fun activity for kids, this set will be a great choice. What people say. The game is very addictive and fun to play. The graphics are very colorful and the gameplay is smooth. I like the different levels and challenges. Number 1. Build a Bubble Montessori 3D Bubble Maker Kit. This isn't your average STEM toy. It lets you build 3D geometric bubble shapes like cubes and hexagons. It's a fun and unique way to play with bubbles. This kit encourages kids to solve problems and improves their skills. It helps with hand-eye coordination and cognitive learning. It's great for indoor and outdoor fun. The kit includes 57 child-friendly pieces and an instructional booklet. It's designed in the USA and offers a lot of creative freedom. It's a great STEAM toy. It's a screen-free toy that provides education and surprises. It makes a great gift for birthdays or any afternoon activity. Plus, it supports autism research. It started as a mission to get kids away from screens. Now it's a multi-award-winning brand. The company cares about your happiness and is ready to help. What we like. This kit allows you to build 3D geometric bubble shapes, encouraging creativity and problem-solving. It's designed to provide screen-free fun while promoting STEM learning. If you have kids who love to build and explore, this is a fantastic choice for educational and engaging play. What people say. The game is very easy to learn and play. The graphics are bright and colorful. It's a fun game to play when you have a few minutes to kill. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.